Hey, this is Oliver with Nova Ponds, and I got Tristan behind the camera over there. Today we're going to go ahead and replace a floating fountain on this small pond here in Ashburn, Virginia. We're going to take you through the process, and it should be pretty fun. We're going to take our mooring lines and we're going to cut these suckers down. Alright, so now it's time. Me and Tristan here, we're going to set up the control boxes for the fountain as well as for the lights. We also got the trench dug, so pretty soon we're going to be able to bury the cable and we'll be ready to go. And there we go. That's how you do it. And I'm going out. Cool.